Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm Noah, and today we're diving into a crucial topic: mastering your money through effective saving strategies. Financial well-being often feels like a distant dream, but it doesn't have to be. Many of us face common financial struggles, from unexpected bills to feeling like we're not getting ahead. These challenges are real, but with smart saving, you can transform your outlook. Experience the incredible relief that comes with security and control. Let's embark on this journey together for a more prosperous future. The first step to saving money isn't about cutting back. It's about understanding where your money actually goes. This brings us to the cornerstone of financial management: budgeting. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you see your income and expenses clearly. Start by listing all your sources of income for the month. Then, meticulously track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every grocery run. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. The method doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Once you have a clear picture, you can identify your spending habits. Are you spending more on dining out than you realized? Perhaps those small, daily purchases are adding up significantly. Categorize your spending to see where your money truly goes. This insight is powerful. It allows you to find areas for reduction without feeling deprived. It's about conscious choices. Now that you understand your finances, let's talk about effective saving strategies. The first is setting clear financial goals. What are you saving for? An emergency fund? A down payment on a house? Retirement? Define both short-term and long-term goals. Having a target makes saving tangible and motivating. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. Next, automate your savings. This is one of the most powerful strategies. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to savings account. Do this immediately after you get paid. This way, you're paying yourself first, and you won't even miss the money. It removes the temptation to spend it. This set-it-and-forget-it approach builds your savings effortlessly over time. Cutting unnecessary expenses is another key area. Review your subscriptions. Do you really use all those streaming services? Consider reducing how often you eat out. Cooking at home is almost always cheaper and often healthier. Look for cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Generic brands can often be just as good as their name brand counterparts. Smart shopping is essential. Before making a purchase, compare prices online and in different stores. Utilize coupons and loyalty programs. These small discounts add up over time, especially on regular purchases. Consider buying in bulk for non-perishable items if you have the storage space. This often leads to significant savings per unit. Debt management is also crucial for freeing up money for savings. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly erode your financial progress. Prioritize paying off these debts. Strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche can be highly effective. Reducing your debt frees up more of your income to be directed towards your savings goals. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced saving techniques. Investing for growth is a powerful tool. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time due to the power of compound interest. Start with basic concepts like index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and lower risk for beginners. Consider consulting a financial advisor to tailor an investment plan to your risk tolerance and goals. Another way to boost your savings is through side hustles. Can you turn a hobby into a source of extra income? Freelancing, selling crafts online, or even driving for a rideshare service can provide additional funds to accelerate your savings. Finally, regularly review and adjust your budget and financial goals. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Set aside time each month or quarter to check your progress, celebrate small wins, and make necessary tweaks. In summary, saving money is a journey, not a destination. It starts with understanding your finances through budgeting. Then, setting clear goals, automating your savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and shopping smartly. Don't forget to manage debt effectively and explore advanced techniques like investing and side hustles. And remember to regularly review and adjust your plan. Every small step you take contributes to your financial security. Start your saving journey today and experience the incredible benefits of financial peace of mind. You have the power to achieve your goals. What are your favorite saving tips? Share them in the comments below, and let's build a community of financially savvy individuals.